Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kendrick Lamar, The Heart, Part 5. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is. I haven't heard Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, or Part 4 yet. So we're going straight in at Part 5. We're going in blind. We don't know what's going on. We're going to react and see what goes on. So big up yourself, Kendrick. Master at this. So let's get in and see what he's saying. Let's go.
As I get a little older, I realize life is perspective. And my perspective may differ from yours. I want to say thank you to everyone that's been down with me. All my fans, all my beautiful fans. Anyone who's ever gave me a listen. All my people.
I come from a generation of pain will murder his minor. Rebellious and more jealous, a chip you for designer. Belt buckles and cloud overzealous and prone to violence. Make the wrong turn, be a will of the will alignment.
I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. Kendrick is in a class by himself. Kendrick is one of the last true rappers around. One off. I didn't say he was. Kendrick is one of the last true rappers that's out, that's still doing it. Yo, Kendrick is so like, yo, the man that's unique, bro. Like, Kendrick is a legend in his own right, bro. Like, we can't stop big up the man. Like, Kendrick is just alien brain, bro.
Belt buckles and cloud overzealous and prone to violence. Make the wrong turn, be a will of the will alignment. Residue burn, missed at the inner city. Miscommunication to keep homo detector busy. No protection is risky. Desensitized, I vandalize pain. Covered up in camouflage, get used to hearing arsenal rain. Analyze, risk your life, take the charge. Homies, don't fuck your baby mama once you hit the yard. That's culture. 23-hour lockdown. Then somebody called, said your little nephew was shot down. The coach is involved. I done seen niggas do 17, hit the halfway house, get out and get his brains blown out. Looking to buy some weed, car washes played out. New GoFundMe accounts to proceed. A brand new victim, a shatter those dreams. The culture.
Oh my fucking god. I would like to run that verse again, but it's no fucking point. There's literally no point, dog. Like, carry on.
Played out. New GoFundMe accounts to proceed. A brand new victim, a shatter those dreams. The culture. To let y'all know what a nigga look like in a bulletproof Rover.
I want the hood. Look what I done for you. Look what I done for you.
I said I do this for my culture. To let y'all know what a nigga look like in a bulletproof Rover. In my mama's sofa was a doodle popper, hair trigger, walk up closer. Ain't no photoshopping, friends bipolar. Grab you by your pockets, no option if you froze up. Always play the offense. Niggas going to work and selling work, late for work. Working late, praying for work, but he on paperwork. That's the culture. Point the finger, promote you. Remote location.
Yo, the fuck am I listening to, dog? Brother, what am I listening to, dog? Rum, please. Rum.
Could look like in a bulletproof Rover. In my mama's sofa was a doodle popper, hair trigger, walk up closer. Ain't no photoshopping, friends bipolar. Grab you by your pockets, no option if you froze up. Always play the offense. Niggas going.
Friends bipolar, grab it by your pockets, no option if you fold up. So basically, when it jam you by your pocket, and it jam you and grab you and say, yo, pussy, run your money. Run anything you have, don't call up, bro. You have to do it. Like, if you don't do it, you're gonna lose your life, bro. Like,
I'm a sofa, was a doodle popper, hair trigger, walk up closer, ain't no photoshopping, friends bipolar, grab you by your pockets, no option if you froze up, I always play the offense, niggas going to work and selling work, late for work, working late, praying for work, but he on paper.
niggas always going to work, selling work, late for work.
Friends bipolar, grab you by your pockets, no option if you froze up, I always play the offense, niggas going to work and selling work, late for work, working.
Niggas going to work and selling work, sell myself on the road, but it's late for work. Yo, fuck.
You froze up, I always play the offense. Niggas going to work and selling work, late for work, working late, praying for work, but he on paperwork. That's the culture. Point the finger, promote ya. Remote location, witness protection, they go hold ya. The streets got me fucked up. Y'all can miss me. I wanna represent for us. New revolution was up and moving. I'm in Argentina, wiping my tears, full of confusion. Water in between us, another peer's been executed. History repeats again. Make amends, then find a nigga with the same skin to do it. But that's the culture, crack a bottle. Hard to deal with the pain when you're sober. By tomorrow, we forget the remains, we start over. That's the problem. Our foundation was trained to accept whatever follows.
My question is, what is he meddling? What is he thinking? What is going through his head to even think about these lyrics? Like, how does he get inspired to write a song like this? Or make a song like this? How does he get inspired to even put this together? Like, what is inspiring him? What? Yo.
Forget the remains, we start over. That's the problem. Our foundation was trained to accept whatever follows. Dehumanized, insensitive, scrutinized the way we live for you and I. Enemy shook my hand, I can promise I'll meet you in a land where no equal is your equal. Never say I ain't told ya. Nah, in a land where hurt people hurt more people. Fuck calling it culture.
In a land where hurt people, fuck calling it culture, sir. We all know, say, like, hurt people does hurt people, yo. Like, no brainer. But we're living in a land but that is prevalent, that are gone, like.
Hurt people hurt more people, fuck calling it culture.
So, let me say, example, the black culture is this and the black culture is that. No, some of us are, well, we are hurting, generations, we are hurting, so we are hurt the people them around me, which is other black people. That's why you see so much black on black crime, because hurt people is hurting people. From the scars from them time till now is still affecting some of us. Mental slavery is still on some of us. So it is still affecting us to this day. That is why some of us is so short-tempered, some of us is so ignorant and not seeing what you're doing to your own race. Like, hurt people, dog.
Look what I done for you. Look what I done for you. Take the drums out.
Take the drums down. This guy's a fucking genius, dog.
Celebrate new life when it come back around. The purpose is in the lessons we learning now. Sacrifice personal gain over everything, just to see the next generation better than ours. I wasn't perfect, the skin I was in that truly suffered. Temptation and patience, everything that the body nurtures. I felt the good, I felt the bad, and I felt the worry. But all in all, my productivity has stayed urgent. Face your fears, always knew that I would make it here, where the energy is magnified and persevered. Consciousness is synchronized and crystal clear. Euphoria is glorified and made his. Reflecting on my life and what I done. Paid dues, made rules change out of love. Them same views made schools change curriculums, but didn't change me staring down the barrel of that gun. Should I feel resentful I didn't see my full potential? Should I feel regret about the good that I was into? Everything is everything, this ain't coincidental. I woke up that morning with more heart to give you. As I bleed through the speakers, feel my presence. To my brother, to my kids, I'm in heaven. To my mother, to my sis, I'm in heaven. To my father, to my wife, I am serious, this is heaven. To my friends, make sure you count them blessings. To my fans, make sure you make them investments. And to the killer that spared up my demise, I forgive you, just know your soul's in question. I seen the pain in your pupil when that trick.
Yo, fuck. Bro. What the fuck, dog? Brother, the man just used Nipsey also and tell you basically what I go on. Like Nipsey, yo, I'm in heaven and tell the killer, say, yo, I forgive you, but just no set. Your faith is it.
Sinful, I didn't see my full potential. Should I feel regret about the good that I was into? Everything is everything, this ain't coincidental. I woke up that morning with more heart to give you as I bleed through the speakers, feel my presence. To my brother, to my kids, I'm in heaven. To my mother, to my sis, I'm in heaven. To my father, to my wife, I'm serious, this is heaven. To my friends, make sure you count them blessings. To my fans, make sure you make them investments. And to the killer that...
To my fans, make sure you make those investments. Remember, Nipsey was big on that. Nipsey was owning shopping mall and shit like that, like a whole complex for himself. Investment, bro. This is the bit.
Make sure you count them blessings. To my fans, make sure you make them investments. And to the killer that spared up my demise, I forgive you, just know your soul's in question.
To the killer that sped up my demise, just know, say, yo, I forgive you. Just know that your soul is in question, yo. Basically, you're not going to answer to me. You're going to answer to the man above. You're going to answer to the higher powers above, yo. Like, your souls are in question, brother. Like, you sped up my demise by killing me. Like, we all have to go one day, but it's how quick.
Until the killer that spared up my demise, I forgive you, just know your soul's in question. I seen the pain in your pupil when that trigger had squeezed. And though you did me gruesome, I was surely relieved. I completed my mission, wasn't ready to leave, but fulfilled my days, my creator was pleased. I can't stress how I love y'all. I don't need to be in flesh just to hug y'all. The memories recollect just because y'all celebrate me with respect. The unity we protect is above all. And Sam, I'll be watching over you. Make sure my kids watch all my interviews. Make sure you live out our dreams we produce. Keep that genius in your brain on the move. And to my neighborhood, let the good prevail. Make sure them babies and the leaders out of jail. Look for salvation when troubles get real. Cause you can't help the world until you help yourself. And I can't blame the hood the day that I was killed. You had to see it, that's the only way.
Bro, Nipsey, like, I heard what he said in Kanye West part, Will Smith part, in all of them. I heard what he said, but Nipsey want to hold me, bro.
Out of jail. Look for salvation when troubles get real. Cause you can't help the world until you help yourself. And I can't blame the hood the day that I was killed. You had to see it, that's the only way to feel. And though my physical won't reap the benefits, the energy they carry on admit still, I want you.
Fuck. Bro, my respect for Kendrick, bro. Omnipotent. Fuck. I'm saying this hands down. This has got to be one of the... This is one of the most powerful songs I've heard in the past 10 years, dog. No joke, bro. Like, shit, dog. Brother, this is the first time I've been speechless doing a reaction, yo. I just can't believe what I just watched. You know what? I'm gonna end this reaction, and I'm gonna go put this song on repeat, bro, cause there's so much that I miss. If I miss anything very, very, very important, like went over my head, let me know in the comment section, please, guys. Don't be scared to do that. Leave a like on the video if you like the video, if you like the content of this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo, what can I say?